There's so many things in life that are new to us and are just begging for us to explore. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. These 4 habits that I'm going to share with you guys in this video are the exact same ones I would share with myself if I could go back in time, when I was heartbroken, depressed, and constantly burnt out. And if I could go back in time and teach myself these habits, I would have probably saved myself so much heartache, money, time, and life that could have been happier, more productive, and my relationships more meaningful. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time, but I just want everyone to know that these habits are based on my personal experience, and I'm sure that there are many right and wrong answers out there. Over the last 5 years, I've been working towards living a more happy and fulfilling life. And one thing that my therapist said to me many years ago was that a fulfilling life is one that only you can fulfill. Which ties into my first habit, which is making a list of 10 things that you enjoy doing or that makes you happy, and commit to doing 1 to 3 of those activities each week. And if you'd like, pause this video right now and make that list of 10 activities that makes you happy. If you've ever placed your source of happiness on someone else and they're not in your life anymore for some reason, this is a really good way to maintain active, action-oriented activities that you can do for your happiness.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow, so just do it! Make your dreams come true!
It's really hot, so I'm taking off my jacket. I'm wearing a dress. Don't worry, everyone. I'm not in the nude. Anyways, habit 2 is invest in yourself. Constantly investing in yourself is extremely important. Whether it's learning a new skill, reading a book about a topic or issue that piques your interest, or just purchasing an item that increases your quality of life. A new mattress, something that makes you sleep better, something that makes your skin feel great. The best part of investing in yourself is that no one else can take that away from you. It makes you a better person and it makes you show up better for other people in your life. It adds value to you, hence making you more valuable to society. And it also makes you more attractive to others. So sign up for that public speaking class or that dance class or that wood making class, that pottery class. If you're gonna spend that money that you work so hard for, why not invest that in yourself and your future? Or start going to therapy. So many things you can do. Habit number 3, physical movement. Spend 10 to 20 minutes just moving, whether it's going for a walk, hiking, swimming, dancing, whatever it is. Just start small. Just don't sit in bed all day because that can really drain you. Sometimes if I'm feeling really lazy, I'll just go to the gym. Just show up, even if I'm not gonna do too much. That's 80% of the work. You just show up. By the time you're like 5-10 minutes and you're like, I'm here, might as well just do a few more things. Also, quick tip, if you're a person who hates working out, don't be strict with yourself. Really see the gym like a playground. Don't look at the time. Don't say, I'm gonna be here for an hour, I'm gonna do this. Trust me, when you enjoy doing something, you don't look at the time. You lose track of time. And sometimes you wish that you could stay there a little longer. Remember, we're trying to build habits, so we're trying to incorporate these habits into our lifestyle. Habit 4, this is one of my favorites. Show appreciation to your family and friends who you love. Write a letter telling them how awesome they are and how appreciative you are to have their presence in your life. What makes life truly meaningful are your relationships. Not only are you making someone else's day, but you're gonna feel so good. A lot of the times when we're going through a breakup or we lost the presence of someone we love in our life, we might be holding on to some disappointments of some of our unmet expectations, but focus on how do you show up for your loved ones? What type of family member do you want to be? What type of romantic partner do you want to be? How can you show support? And if you're going through a time where you're constantly thinking about them and you miss them and you still haven't found happiness for your own life, just have patience. Show yourself some compassion. Show up for yourself. Okay, I'll leave you guys off with that. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to share the 10 things that makes you happy, I would love to read about them in the comment section below. I'm always very curious what makes other people happy and what other people enjoy doing. And I will put my own 10 things in the description box below if you guys want to read about it. Alrighty, have a great weekend, and I'm sending you positive vibes for this amazing journey you're gonna go on.